Hi, this is Wayne from Norwest Chiropractic. This morning we're going to look at a self-help tip. While we're in lockdown, we don't have access to get to our chiropractor or masseuse, so how we can alleviate some of the tension around the traps, around the shoulder blades, around those scaps. So we're going to do that using a massage ball. So today we're going to look at how we can relieve some of the tension around the traps, shoulder area and around the scapula. And again, as I said, we're going to be using a massage ball. So this is a little rubber ball. It's quite hard, but it does have a bit of squish around the edge, and that's really good so that when it goes against the wall, and I'll show you in a second, it's not going to damage your wall. Alternatively, you could use a tennis ball, although we do find that they can squash a little bit, but great improvising at the moment. So first of all, we're going to deal with how to get into the tension spots up around these upper traps. So again, just think this is a bit of a hack job really. So rather than having a masseuse or someone dig their thumbs into those areas, we're going to get pressure with the ball into those areas. So place the ball about the spot where you think you need, or you have that little trigger point, that point of tension, and we're just going to pin that against the wall. And from now we can lean the body into that and provide as much pressure as we like, and we can roll gently that ball around. So you want to focus on going up the muscle fibers, but then also going across the muscle fibers as well. As much weight on that ball as you like, and that feels quite uncomfortable, but once we come off that after 30 seconds to a minute, you're going to find that provides quite a lot of relief, and we actually get a lot more shoulder mobility. Again, you can use the same theory as we go down more towards the scapula. So again, we can place it further down on the medial scapula, just on the inside border. But again, we can use the same trick for almost any muscle group. But for now, that's a handy tool to be using, especially when you're stuck inside and we don't have access to your normal therapists. So grab yourself a ball, improvise, find one of the kids' balls. Squash ball, far too squishy, so it's got to be reasonably firm so that, again, it doesn't collapse under your body weight. So give that a whirl, try and reduce some tension.